Hello and welcome to IM Labs. In this video I will show how to install and use DVWA Damp Vulnerable Web Application in local host using XAMPP server. First of all, we need to download the DVWA setup file. For that we just need to go to Google and search DVWA download. Here the official website is dvwa.co.uk. From here we will download the DVWA repository. So here it is downloaded. We need to extract the zip and then rename this folder as DVWA in short. Next we need to go inside this folder and go to the config folder and rename this file. From here we need to remove the .dist from the end and save this file and then open this file with Notepad. From here we need to change the DVWA username, database username to root and the database password to blank and save this file. Once it is done, we need to move this DVWA folder inside the XAMPP folder that has been created after installation. So for installing XAMPP, you need to go to Google and type XAMPP download. The official website is apachefriends.org. From here you can download the latest version and install it. The installation steps are pretty simple. You just need to follow the steps, but make sure you are installing the XAMPP folder in C drive. Next, inside the XAMPP folder there is a folder called htdocs. Inside this, whatever file or folder we kept, that gets hosted. So inside this we will keep the DVWA folder. Now we will turn on the XAMPP control panel and switch on the Apache and MySQL service. Next, from my browser I will access the location localhost/DVWA. This is the setup folder. And now before clicking onto this button, we need to go to the phpMyAdmin, that is the database backend of DVWA, and create a blank database in the name of DVWA. Create. So once this step is done, now we will click on this create reset database and you see the database has been created and the login page has also appeared. Now my username is admin and the password is password. Login. So here my DVWA has logged in. The username is admin and the password is password. So now from here we can change the DVWA security level and perform accordingly whatever the attacks are needed to be practiced. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.